Hello, Crystal Lightner. My name is John Breaux. I'm a sales consultant here at Lake Charles Toyota, and I have the privilege of going over your brand new 2018 Highlander XLE. There are so many features to go over, but with the restriction of time, I kind of want to focus on some key safety features just for you. Okay, Crystal, we're inside the cabin of the vehicle, and I basically want to show you some of the safety features I talked about earlier. It's called Toyota Safety Sense, and basically it's to help you keep safe on the road, and I know that's important to you. Okay, the first feature I like to go over is called LDA. That's Lane Departure Alert. And if the cameraman can point or carry his camera toward the center console here of the vehicle, you can see these features, and you'll see where it says LDA, PCS, BSM, and I'm going to go over these each and every one of those features individually. Now, the lane departure alert, basically what that is when you're on the road and you see the little in the middle lane, you'll see the little digits or the lines that's in the road, and on the right side of the road, or the lane rather, you'll see a straight line. And they have actually radars that detect or sense the paint that's in the road. And when you're kind of veering off the road a little bit, it's basically going to alert you. You're going to hear a beep. And you're also going to feel a little tug. It won't scare you, but it'll just give you a little nudge. Like, say, for example, if you're veering off to the right, your steering wheel will kind of tug you to the left a little bit, just to kind of remind you, hey, get back in the middle of the road, and vice versa. If you're going over on your left side, it'll tug you to the right a little bit. It'll kind of just get you a sense that, hey, let me make sure I'm maintaining control of the vehicle and I'm going in a straight line. Okay, now that's this feature right here. And also, if you turn it on, so you can literally turn it off if you want to, but we want to leave it on. You can also adjust the sensitivity. My preference is high, because I want to make sure it's really doing what it's supposed to do. I don't want a subtle notification. I want it to tell me, okay, I'm messing up, so get me back straight on the road. So you can kind of adjust those to standard and high, so I like that. Your sway warning. You remember I was telling you, like, if you get off the road from right to left, you can also adjust the sway sensitivity, whether or not you want it on high or standard, and I like those features. Okay, and then we're going to go back. That's the LDA. That's called Lane Departure Alert. The pre-collision system is really nice, PCS. Basically what that does, if you're driving on the road, someone just jumps in front of you for no apparent reason, you didn't see that person or that object in front of you, the vehicle will literally stop, come to a complete stop for you. And I know safety is very, very important to you. Okay, that's the PCM right there. And you can also adjust the sensitivity. See, it's on right now, and you can cut it off, but we want to leave it on, and then you can adjust the sensitivity to low, medium, or high. And I prefer it to be high, like I said earlier. Now, the blind spot monitoring is really neat when you're driving down the road, especially on the highway. And if there's someone in your left side on your blind spot and you can't see them for whatever reason, here's what happens. If you pull over to the, show her the mirror here, and there you go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off. So when I turn it back on, you see that light up? Well, that's the indicator that tells you, Crystal, that you cannot get over on that lane. You cannot pull over to the right side because there's somebody there, and that's to prevent you from running into that person in your blind spot. And either if it's on your left side or your right side, it works well both ways. So that's going to really come in handy. I would definitely leave that feature on. You can cut it off, but like I said, I prefer to leave it on. It's really one of my best safety features. I really like that. You also have, with that feature, when you have it in reverse, and let's say you're backing up, let's say you're at a Target shopping center, and there's a big truck on your left side, and there's a paneled van on your right side, and you're backing up, and you can't see cross traffic. Well, your vehicle is equipped with cross traffic alert, and what that'll do for you is when you're backing up, it literally will have a sensor that will alert you. It'll beep, and your blind spot mirrors that lit up will light up and blink and tell you, hey, do not back up anymore. There's somebody in your cross traffic. That's a really nice feature. The last but not least safety feature I like to go over with you, Crystal, is called Dynamic Radar Cruise Control. This is so nice, especially when you're on the highway. Basically, what that feature is, when you press the cruise control, you're going to turn this light on your cruise control, and then you're going to lock your cruise control in. You can also adjust the distance of how far you want to be from a vehicle on the highway. You can go the furthest, the medium, or closest to you. Again, I like to use the furthest. And basically what that's going to do is when you're cruising on the highway, it's going to maintain a certain distance from that vehicle. So when that vehicle slows down, you're going to slow down. When that vehicle move out of your way, you're going to go back up and maintain the speed you set it at. That is so nice. I think you're going to really enjoy that. And to kind of wrap it up, I want to let you know about your new Toyota. It's very familiar. I understand you are a previous Toyota customer, so you know about Toyota products. You had a 4Runner previously. What you're going to really enjoy about your Highlander, you're going to be at home in your Highlander, because some of the features are just like your 4Runner, such as the signal lights. They're right here on your left side. Your windshield wipers are right here on your right side. Your cruise control is a little bit lower on the bottom, and you just push in and pull down and you're cruising. It's just going to make you feel at home in your new Highlander. Also, I want to express that we cannot thank you enough for your business. I'm going to leave my business card with you in the glove compartment. Please do not hesitate to call me. We want to make sure that you enjoy your new vehicles. There's so much more we'd like to go over with you so that you can enjoy your vehicle for years to come. If you have any questions or concerns at all, please do not hesitate to call us. Thank you so much, Crystal, and congratulations on your all-new Toyota Highlander. Thank you.